So today I'm doing this super simple matte white and brown eye. Very simple, very quick. My whole makeup took me an hour and I was live streaming, so it was could have been done a lot quicker. You can see the live streams that I do on TikTok if you do wish. The link is down below. I do live stream my makeup tutorials pretty much always, so you can see the full process with no editing. Yeah, there's not really much else to cover. I've had a lot of questions on this lip combo, so you'll see that in this video as well too. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Alrighty, so starting off with the eyebrows, using the Sheglam Skinny Brow Pencil. I really like it. It's a nice dupe for the P. Louise Skinny Brow Pencil. I can't remember the name of it. And then I'm going in with the P. Louise Eye Base. As always, it's just my favorite eye base to blend on top of, but you can use, you know, concealer or anything that you wish. So going ahead and blending that out. Today I'll be using the Jeffree Star Orgy eyeshadow palette for the brown colors, and then Sugarpill Tako for the white colors. So I am just going ahead and pulling up the colors for the Orgy palette. So the first color I used was Top, and I put that in, that's the color there that you see. I put that on the outer portion and in the crease. Then I went ahead and used Sugarpill Tako as the white on the lid. I used I'm Shy from the Orgy palette on the brow bone. And then I used a mixture of Booby Trap and Orgy from the Orgy palette on the outer portion of the crease, as you can see. Honestly, Sugarpill Tako is easily the best white eyeshadow you can ever have. Did you hear my throat there? Anyway, yeah, it's really good. And then I go ahead and just blend Booby Trap and Orgy on the outer little V area, the outer V of my eye. And these colors are so nice to blend. Honestly, if I was still a working makeup artist, I would probably depot these eyeshadows, because I would never bring an eyeshadow palette named Orgy to a job. That would be just horrendous. If, like, for example, they had a kid there and the kid said, "What does that say?" I would not be that person. I take that very seriously. You know, I'm not normally very serious about much, but about, like, kids hearing that shit from me, yeah, I don't want that shit to be, you know what I mean? So then I'm going ahead and using, just continually blending as well too, by the way. Then I go ahead and for my under eyes, well, I should say I did use, first of all, the Catrice Prime and Fine primer on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my chin, and on my upper lip. Then I use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I use the white under my eyes. As some of you may know, I like a really bright under eye, so that's what I went ahead and did there. For foundation, I didn't use as much, but I used the Kimchi Chic Beauty, a really good foundation. And then for kind of like a contour bronze, I used the Sheglam, oh gosh, I can't remember the name of it. The name will be down below, but it was a double-sided contour stick. That was really cute. But I did put on lashes first. I find when I'm doing live streams, people always want to see the lashes, so I'm using lashes here from eBay. These are 5D and 5D lashes, and they're just super inexpensive, so nothing wrong there. For the, I'm trying to look for the name of the product that I purchased. The double-sided thing, I wanted to do like a full face of Sheglam, but I just never got around to it, I guess. But I did order some stuff from there. But anyway, the name will be down below, so you can always check that if you would like. It was like a double-sided contour stick, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm just using that and then going ahead and blending with the other end of the brush. And I used the e.l.f. Halo, what was it called? Halo Glow setting powder, I believe. That was the setting powder I used. I was absolutely in love with the blush. It was the Sheglam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush. It was so good. I can't even put it into words. It was beautiful, soft. I just really enjoyed it. And the color Tangerine was just absolutely perfect. So going ahead and using the loose powder just to set everything. I liked the e.l.f. Powder as well too. Actually, everything I liked in this. So, I mean, can't complain about that. It's always nice when you're trying something out and ends up working out for you. Okay, crisis averted. It's the Sheglam Golden Sun Contour Stick, I believe. So I used that, and then I used that Tangerine Blush by Sheglam. Then I went ahead and used Colourpop's Flexetarian highlighter. And then on top of that, I used the Danessa Myricks Enlight Halo in Ice. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I pretty much never stray away from that combo. I think it's so beautiful. The lip liner was what people were really, or the lip combo was what people were really kind of asking a bunch of questions about on my live stream. And it was the Sheglam Lip Liner in 524, but there's no name for it. So I don't know if 524 is the name or what, but anyway, then the Maybelline Charm Superstay Vinyl Ink lip color, as well as the Pixi and Hello Kitty Harmony Hues Eye Effects eyeshadow palette, and I just used the top right color. It was like a shimmery nude color on the center of the lip. I wanted to do that. And then I put some gloss over top of it. Normally I wouldn't put gloss over top of it, but I decided to go ahead to because I wasn't really doing anything. I was just kind of like chilling in one area. But yeah, really, there's not much else to say. I wanted something that was super easy and super flattering and just pretty. The eyelashes, I definitely want to go pick up more from eBay. I can't complain about those. I mean, frig, they're so inexpensive and they're beautiful. They look like a custom stack lash. So, gotta get my hands on more of those, most definitely. And that is the Creme Shop and Hello Kitty Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray. Then I go ahead and use the Danessa Myricks Loose Enlight Powder in Ice. Enlight Halo in Ice. But yeah, anyways, just going ahead and applying that, fixing that hair, and we're all done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!